Hey guys, welcome to Forex Family Empire. We're back again with another video. It's your boy Case Malls. Yeah, guys, I just want to update you regarding the analysis that we made yesterday. Before we get right into it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and yeah, press that bell notification so that you can be notified when I post new videos. So yeah, let's watch the video of yesterday, what I said when the market was where, and then we can take it from here. So this is an update for the non-farm payroll. This is the video that I recorded. Let's listen to it. Going up, but without any retest here. So for now, I'm expecting the market to do something like this, come back and retest this zone here, and then go up. So from here, we're gonna see something like this. So this is what I'm expecting here at the moment for when it comes to US 30. I'm expecting something like this. So the market should come back here, retest this zone, continue going up. But when we're looking at the news, a lot of stuff, a lot of people have been looking at them. They say when we're looking at the news, if you click on non-farm payroll, if the actual is more than the previous. So yeah, guys, I think we got what we wanted to see on that video. So basically, the market was somewhere around here. I think we were on a 1 hour chart. I said we haven't like retested this breakout here because the market basically gave us a breakout from here, and then they went up, but they never came back to retest. Look what they did here. They gave us multiple pins there to just give us a confirmation that this is a bullish pattern. We're still in a bullish momentum. I think NFP is going to be bullish unless if it goes otherwise, and then they break here during the news going down. So, but at the moment, the chart is still looking bullish. It's a buy at the moment. But if I go back to the investing.com with the strategy of actual and previous, as we can see, actual is basically less than the previous. And when it's like this, always they say the market will go down. All USDT based currencies will go down. And if the previous is more than the actual, the base currencies will go down. If the actual is more than the previous, the base currencies will go up. So in this case, it means the currencies USD will go down. So it's still ambiguous at the moment regarding this kind of strategy, but the price action is telling me that we are in a bullish momentum. But yeah, let's break it down a little bit further to see what's happening on the chart, guys. So you know that I like breaking down the chart. I don't just like to trade guessing the chart what's going to be happening. So as we can see, we need to see what's happening on this channel here, the channel that we're doing here. It's a massive consolidation. As we can see, the market, ever since I said it's going to come back and touch this zone here, it came and touched it. Now we're above it, but in a consolidation mode. So we need to understand where are we in terms of our trend. Is our trend a bullish trend or a bearish trend? If I go up here, the trend is still going up. So we are in a bullish trend at the moment. It's a rising wedge, and the rising wedge, is it completed yet? So that's the question we need to ask ourselves. Is the rising wedge completed? It doesn't look completed. Always the rising wedge, it will, or a falling or rising wedge, they complete on a breakout or on a touch of the support or resistance. So this one hasn't touched here yet. It only touched the below side. So we saw double touches, 1 2. So maybe I can fix it to be nicer there, but you understand what I'm saying there. So we need to understand, where are we at the moment? Are we looking for buys or sells? So what are we looking for? If we're in an upward trend, meaning we're looking for sales, I mean buys. So let's see where we're gonna find our buys on top of this consolidation. So I'm going to put it like this at the moment, and also have this. So this is a channel basically. So this inside this trend is going to be a trend inside a trend. So I think this kind of triangle has a bias of breaking to the downside, guys. So this triangle has a bias of breaking to the downside. So if it breaks to the downside, then we know that NFP is going to sell. And then if it breaks to the upside, know that NFP is going to buy. So and the TP for that, always I put from the start of my triangle to the finish of my triangle, and then I put the from the breakout there, and then it will give me the target for that specific triangle breakout. So as you can see, the triangle breakout comes exactly where the spike came, guys. So if it goes up, so I mean if it goes down, if it goes up, where is it gonna go? At the moment, it's gonna go here. So we've got a huge channel below this line, guys. So I think this thing is still ambiguous at the moment. I just wanted to show you guys here maybe what we can do. So my trades, the way I'm going to trade here, because here it says the actual is more than the previous. I mean, it's less than the previous. So meaning the base currencies will sell, and USDT is the base currency here. So I'll wait here. If I get a breakout, I'm going to sell. I'm going to sell. I'm going to sell if I get a breakout to the downside. So my trade will be based on this triangle, right? So if this triangle get a breakout from either upside or downside, I'm going to go with that direction. So, but at the moment, I'm seeing most of the biasness going to the downside. So mostly because of the actual and the previous, because that's where I will say my bias is. So that's mostly my actual and previous taking me to the downside, and then the upside at the moment, I don't take it that serious because guys, look at this. We've got a major support resistance on top here. I'm still thinking even if the market goes here, it still needs to break out this channel here. But when it breaks out from this side, it only needs this, and this one here is way too close to it. So we're closer to breaking this one than breaking this one here. So I'm thinking maybe if the market goes up from here before NFP, we are going to struggle breaking this line here, the resistance here. So that's what I wanted to show you guys based on the US30. Let's jump into CAD. I think I analyzed CAD for you as well, guys. So I'm just going to delete this. As you understand right now, the strategy that we're going to be using. We're waiting for a breakout. If we see a breakout here, we're going with a sell. If we see a breakout here, it's a buy. So, but my buy is the TP is gonna be here, and then we're gonna continue falling again from here. So we'll see more of this kind of analysis with the CPI and other news. But yeah, I think I believe you guys understand what I'm saying, and I'm making things easier to understand because that's what I want you to do. I want you to understand the market structure and the movement. So hopefully you understand correctly. So yeah, jumping over to jumping over to Cadjpy that I analyzed yesterday with you guys. I was on a D1, as you can see as well with the Cadjpy. So Cadjpy yesterday when we were analyzing it, it was somewhere here. So I said we're expecting something like this, come back here up, and then we're gonna continue falling down. Our first TP was here, and then our second TP is here. So with the Cadjpy news, I'm more than 100% sure what I'll be doing. So on this pair, I'll be buying this pair. Whether I don't care where the market will be at when this news comes at 3:30. So I'm gonna be having two accounts. As you can see, I've got like all my accounts open here. I've got XNES, Vault, and the Trade 245. So on the other account, I'll be trading this pair, and then I'll be buying it. So nevertheless, let me show you why I say I'm going to be buying the Cadjpy. So based on that strategy of the previous and actual, for the Canada employment change, we're seeing actual being way more than the previous basically. So which is giving us an indication that the market will be buying for the base currency of CAD. So the CAD currencies will be going up. So like the CAD JPY, your CAD will be going up, and then the JPY CAD will be going down. And then there are some, you understand what I'm saying. So basically, the analysis there told us, okay, if you want to see, we saw a trend line here. The trend line was broken. I said, okay, under this trend line, we're going to see a massive push to the upside before we fall. Then we didn't get that massive to the push side yet because the JPY is strong at the moment. We kept on pushing down. So we are pushing to the TP. How do I calculate the TP for the specific there? Top of my I go to the top of my zone until the end of my trend line, and then where the breakout started, that's where I put the line. And then this will tell me where the TP is. So this thing is basically telling me that our TP for this momentum is somewhere here. So let's see how many pips is left. So around 300 pips. So this is way too much. I don't think we'll be reaching there yet at the moment. But I've I have I specified this zone here for you guys. You see this zone here. I think Cadjpy will be around this zone when the news starts. So once it gets this zone, make sure you buy. Make sure you buy the currencies, guys. So make sure you buy this currency, and then I think our TP for this currency will be somewhere here. So and then we'll continue going down because we didn't we were not able to come back and retest from here. So I'm gonna cancel this, then I'll take this one down and say our our retest. So we're gonna be trading the retest when it comes to this news. So this retest is a lot of pips there, if you can check, guys, around 400 pips. Even though we don't get to the 400 pips, but here I'm 100% sure that we're gonna be buying. But when it comes to Nasdaq, I mean USDT, this is the analysis that I told you. We're waiting for a breakout here. So this channel needs to be broken out. The triangle here needs to be broken down. If it breaks to the upside, our target here is this top of the trend. So our trend started somewhere here. So once we break out from here, this is where we're gonna start selling. So make sure once the market touches here, even because NFP goes two direction, it might goes from here and then come touch this level here, and then once you are in this level, you can go down with it. Because on our previous video, I said it's gonna come and touch this level here. So this level is it's way too far at the moment. You can see it's more than 10,000 pips there. So it's too far at the moment. So we're looking at NFP coming, breaking out to the top side, we come in here. Breaking out to the downside, we come in basically to the trend line. And then we'll see if we're breaking the trend line even further to go down. So that's my analysis for now, guys. Hopefully you're gonna trade this analysis, and yeah, all the best, guys. I will see you when you guys have results. That's it from me, guys. Bye bye.